Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again, and if you look closely on my screen right now, this is actually my PayPal account. And if you look right here, you can see that I earned $95.30, right? So this website actually sent me $95.30 and I made a straight withdrawal, right? No restriction. And right here I made $4.70. So I haven't really made much on this. This is actually a new means that I discovered. Remember, what I do on this channel is whenever I see something that works, I bring it up to this channel. I will do a documentary videos to show you guys how it actually works and how you too can actually replicate exactly what I do to get almost the same result or even way more than what I get, right? So if you look here in my next screen, you can see here, make money with a free offer for your listeners, right? Get $15 for each trial membership you generate, right? So what is going to be happening is this is actually Audible, right? So it's affiliated to Amazon, and what this app or website does is this, right? Most people don't prefer reading novels or any book at all. They prefer listening to it, and this app or this software actually helps to read out written articles, right? So some people prefer to be hearing the article using their earpiece or earphone or anything at all, right? So what you're going to be doing is this, right? Just stick around with me, watch the video from beginning to the end, right? What you're going to be doing is this, right? We're actually going to be providing a value in the form of book to people that really need the value, right? And for the fact they need the value, we are actually going to be giving to them. They're actually going to register on this site, and for them to register on this site we earn $15, right? For them to register we earn $15, right? So what this actually means is this, right? They said when you generate a member to register for free trial, right? So once they register using their credit card, right, even without paying, you're going to make $15 for that, right? And them that registers, they can actually bounce out from the subscription before they get charged, right? So we are not going to be selling anything to anybody this time, and those people are not going to be buying anything, right? So I'm going to show you guys a proof that this is actually very lucrative and is very converting if you're ready to put in the work, right? So if you head over to your Google or any browser that you're using, go ahead and type in Audible affiliate, right? So if you type in Audible affiliate, click on the first link that you're going to see there. It's going to take you to a page where you get to register for Amazon affiliate program. In case you have not registered, this is actually my account, right? If you click there, it's going to bring you to a page where you register. But for the fact that I have an account already and I've signed out from this account, so this is the page is actually showing me. I'm not going to go ahead and create a new account because I don't want this video to be pretty long. But if you try registering for Amazon affiliate program and if you encounter any problem, just go ahead and drop it down there in the comment section. I might do a very long video detailing how to register this and how to actually do it correctly, right? Because some people can actually do it the wrong way, and by so doing they might not get the exact result we're actually going to be getting in the course of this video, right? So let's assume that you have everything set up, your account is ready, you have your affiliate link and everything is ready for you to go, right? So head over to another tab, open another tab, go ahead and type in weight loss Audible, right? Weight loss Audible, right? So if you type in weight loss Audible, a whole bunch of things gonna pop up, which is what you see right now on my screen, right? So this is actually a whole bunch of books, because Audible deals mostly with books, right? So this is actually a whole bunch of books, articles written by different people. So what it entails is this: we are not writing anything, we are not spending any money, right? So if you look all these sites that we have here, this audiobooks now, Christian book, audiobooks now, Christian book, audiobooks now, audible.com, right? Audible.com, this is the one we are looking for, right? This audible.com. Now we are not going to be promoting this link that we have here. We're actually going to be getting our own link. I actually want to show you guys an example. So let's assume this is our affiliate link, right? I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So we are not going to copy the one you see on Google, you're going to copy the one you see on your dashboard. That's the affiliate link you have from your dashboard. So let's assume this is our affiliate link, right? So if you copy this link, now click on it, just copy it for future use. We're going to be using it in the course of this video. So if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now let's assume that the person you refer to this book is actually the one that clicked on it, and once they do, it's going to bring them to this page. So if you look here, this is actually the book that they're going to read, and once they read this book, it's going to enable them to lose facts, right? So the reason why I chose this niche is because it's highly converting, because most people that are interested in this niche are people that are overweight. I'm not trying to talk against anybody. It's actually something that some people wants to get rid of. So people that are overweight will actually want to loosen up some fats for some people that wants to actually. So the people that are interested will click your link and it will bring them to this page. Now for them to get this book, they can actually get it for free. right? So for them to get it for free, they're going to try it for 0.00 dollar, right? So if they click on it, it's actually going to ask them to log into their Amazon account, and that's the reason why we are going to be promoting this to mostly people in the first world country, right? So if they click on it, they will sign into their account. So once they sign into their account, this is actually the interface that will pop up, right? So they will be brought to this page where they'll be able to put in their credit card details, and they will select everything. Now this is actually what it means to get a member to register for free trial, right? So this is the trial they talked about. Make money with a free offer for your listeners. Get 15% for each trial membership you generate. So this is what it actually means, right? So once they fill in their details and head over to this very last one to start free trial, right? They're gonna spend 0.00 dollar, right? And you're gonna earn $15. I'm not formulating this, as you guys can see on my screen. You can make $15 per person, right? So let's assume you're able to refer up to 100 people to get the book, because they're actually inquisitive, they're actually very interested in what you're offering to them. So once they get the book, you're earning $15. And if you're able to refer up to 100 people, which is actually very small, because the means or the method I'm going to be showing you guys, and we're also going to be using it to promote this stuff, is going to make you way more than you can ever imagine, right? So if they get to read the book or get the book, you're going to make up to $15, right? If you get 100 people, that's $150, 200 people, $300, and so on and so forth, depending on how ready you are to work, right? So this is actually where they're going to put in, like I said. Once they're done doing that, you earn $15. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to promote your affiliate link for this Amazon Audible program, right? So if you go ahead to your Facebook, this is actually my Facebook. If you go to Facebook, this is method 1. I have method 1, I have method 2, and I have method 3, right? So make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you guys won't miss any point, right? So trust me, if this method don't work for you, the second one must work for you. If the second one don't work for you, the third one must work for you, right? So one of these 3 methods that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to work, right? It's going to work so far you do things correctly the way I show you on this video, right? So if you go to your search box on Facebook, right, search for weight loss. If you search for weight loss, I've actually searched for it. If you search for weight loss, a whole bunch of things will pop up. So this is actually what I have as face loss. So you can go ahead and select group. If you select group, now a whole bunch of groups will pop up, right? So these are actually groups that are available for weight loss, right? What I would advise you guys to do is this: go ahead and join all these groups, right? Go ahead and join all these groups. This is actually my real Facebook account, so I don't want to join all these groups because I don't want to be getting updates from all these groups, right? So I use another account that I created for my affiliate program and a whole bunch of things that I do online, right? It's actually called a ghost account. So go ahead and join all these groups, and once you're done joining everything, right? So let's take for example this very first one, right? As you guys can see, they have 109,000 members, and trust me, once you're able to succeed in posting something on this group, right, using the method I'm going to be showing you guys, you're going to get at least 1% of the members of this group, or even 0.5%, which is around 500 people, to click on that link and get the book and read it. Trust me, you're going to be making a whole bunch of money from that. So what you're going to do is this: I'm going to join this one, and I know that I'm not going to get accepted immediately. So for the fact that I don't know the time that I'm going to be accepted into this group, I'm going to be using another group that I'm already into to complete what I wanted to show you guys, right? So I'm going to go ahead and check up other groups that I belong to. This is actually one of the groups that I belong in, and let's take for example, this is actually the weight loss group that we're about to post something on, right? So actually, if you want to post something on a group, this is actually the available space. So I'm going to show you guys example of what you're actually going to be posting on this group, and it is very converting, right? It is highly converting, and trust me, it's going to work, right? So this is actually wordcounter.com. I actually wrote something here. It can copy exactly what you see here. It can change a little bit of stuff. So let's read it. Hey guys, I'm currently losing from 1 to 2 kg per week, courtesy of this book I read about weight loss. If anyone needs it, kindly drop a comment below. I'm sending it for free, right? For the fact that you say for free, right, will make people to message you and drop a comment down in the post, right? So what you're gonna do is this: I'm gonna copy this, right? So if you copy this, head over to the group, right? For the fact that the niche you're promoting is also the niche that you join the group for, they're going to approve your post. If there's any post restriction, for the fact that what you're posting is in line with what the group is about, right, that are going to approve it. So go ahead and click on this. If you click on it, so go ahead and paste it right here. Right, once you're done doing that, go ahead and paste it right here, and then you can click on post. I'm not going to post this because this is actually a cryptocurrency group, so I'm not going to post something that is so abstract for this group because they might block me or they might remove me and stuff like that, so I don't want to risk it. So let's assume you get approved on all those groups that you joined. Go ahead and paste this thing right there. Right, so what is going to happen is this: once you post it, people that are actually fat and they want to loosen their weight is going to drop a comment down there, so you can go ahead and add all of them. Right, add all of them, and don't be lazy in this hustle because we actually want to make money online, so we don't need to lazy around. So go ahead and add all of them and message them. Right, so the message will be like, hey, what's up? Right, I saw your comment in my post and I believe you want to lose some weight and stuff like that. I'm actually going to be sending you a link to the group so you can go ahead and read it. It actually helped me a whole lot. I'm losing a lot. Right, so this is actually what you're going to be sending to a whole bunch of them. Right, so once you're done doing that, go ahead and send them your affiliate link for Audible. Right, so once they see Audible, they know that for real this is a legit site because this is actually affiliated to Amazon, like I said before. And once they click on it, it's going to bring them to this page where they get to register for free. Right, once they register, you get your $15. Right, you get your $15 straight to your account. Right, so I'm actually going to be showing you guys the second method that I have. I don't want this video to be pretty long, but trust me, you're going to earn a lot of value. Right, so this is the first one. The first one is promoting it Facebook as free way of promoting it. Right, so you're not spending any money. The only money you're spending is the money for your data and for your internet connection. Right, so the second one I have for this video is this site called Find a Forum. Right, so if you want to find a forum, this is actually a community kind of website where a whole bunch of people are available, just like Quora.com, just like Reddit, just like a whole bunch of other community websites. So if you come to this website, there are a whole bunch of categories that you can see right here, and this is actually the place you can see the categories. If you click on this drop down, you're gonna see a whole bunch of categories, and if you click on this forum niches, right, you're gonna see the number one, which is weight loss. Right, so you can click on weight loss, you can click on internet marketing depending on the one you're promoting, you can click on real estate to actually see a whole bunch of things, you can click on any niche that you're promoting. Remember, it's not only weight loss that you can promote. You can promote about relationship, about love, about sexuality, about a whole bunch of other things that you have the feeling that it's going to work. Right, so once you have value, you can actually promote anything. Right, so if you select weight loss, it's going to bring you to this page. I've actually selected it already. So this is forum in weight loss niche. Right, so as you guys can see, this is number one forum, and number two, there are a whole bunch of forums, and trust me, in each of all these forums they have a whole bunch of members available. Right, so as you can see, this forum has 102,000 posts, and this one has 4 million posts. Right, this one has, okay, this one is not indicated. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that this forum contains a whole lot of people. A whole lot of people are registered, and also they are using this website, very active. Right, so you can go ahead and join anyone that you want to join. Right, you can go ahead and click on anyone. This one, weight loss forum, man versus fat, weight loss, blah blah blah. You can join anyone that you want to join. So if you join it, what you're going to be doing is this: you can paste exactly what I showed you guys, this text I showed you guys. You can post exactly, or you can change things to your own like desire or stuff like that. So anyone that you think might convert enough, right, you can go ahead and change things up and then come to this website. So once you head over to this site, just go ahead and click on visit forum. Right, so if you click on visit forum, it's going to take you to the actual forum where you get to talk to a whole bunch of people, converse with people that are actually fat, and for sure they need this value that you want to give them because they actually want to lose weight. People are very active on this platform, and trust me, if you play the game very very well, you're gonna win. Right, so I'm not currently signed into my account. If I'm currently signed into my account, it's gonna show me more latest post. Right, so the very latest post was made 2 hours ago, this one's 4 hours ago, this one 8 hours ago. So for the one that was made 2 hours ago, 23 people has viewed it, and this one 33 people. So the number is actually few, and that's what makes it to be more converting. Right, so if there are a whole bunch of people right here, you might not be able to like get to all of them. Right, so for these people that we have here, so once any of them reads it, you can be able to communicate this. You have 23 people here, 18, so you can be able to communicate to a whole bunch of them, and then you can expect the best. Right, so as you can see, we have very active people right here, so you can go ahead and post this particular thing I showed you guys right here. I've not logged into my account, that's why I cannot see the space for posting, right? So if you do that, once they read it, once they comment, once they drop a comment, then you can go ahead and message them individually to tell them how this thing actually works, how they can actually, like, gain from it, right? So that is just it. You can actually do this on Quora, right? But Quora is so populated. Trust me, you can actually get results from Quora as well, but I don't really plan for it in this video, right? I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to promote your affiliate link on Quora, but you're not going to be promoting it directly, because if you do, Quora is going to block you. And same thing with this website, you're not going to be promoting it directly, because if you do, they're going to block you. Same thing with Facebook, they will block you as well. So that is it for this second method. And this is actually this is actually not comparable to Facebook, because Facebook is actually more popular than this forum, right? But the reason why I'm recommending this forum is because most people that are active on this forum are people from the first world country, and that's the more reason why I feel like, or why I know that it will actually work for you, right? So the third way and the last method we have for promoting this affiliate program is actually on Twitter, right? So this is actually my Twitter account. In case you're not following me on Twitter, you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter, even though I'm not pretty active on Twitter, right? So what you're going to be doing on Twitter is this: click on the search box. So go ahead and type in weight loss or anything related to weight loss, right? I want to lose weight loss, but especially I'm recommending weight loss, right? So what you're going to do is this: go ahead and type it in. Once you type in weight loss, go ahead and click on the enter to search for it. Now wait for the magic, right? Wait for the magic. So these are actually the results we have for weight loss, right? So as of the time I'm recording this video, this is actually about 24 hours ago. I'm recording this around 1 a.m, right? So it's actually midnight. It's about 2 days ago. So this is what he posted, or she posted: weight loss is harder than weight gain, right? And what you're going to be doing is this, right? You're going to click on this comment, right? If you click on comment, I know this is actually a bit tedious. What you're going to be doing is this: go ahead and tell this person this stuff I just copied, right? So now you're going to claim this: hey guys, right, play around with all this thing I wrote here, can come up with your own more compelling stuff. Currently I'm losing, put arm. So go ahead and change a whole bunch of stuff. Currently I'm losing from 1 to 2 kg per week, courtesy of this book I read about weight loss. So just tell her she's interested in reading, that she should tell you that you're going to give it to her for free, right? So this is actually how to do that on Twitter. Now you might be thinking that you won't get enough results. Now let me show you something, right? Just stick around. Let me show you something. Now if you scroll down, you can see, so these are actually people that are fat, right? They want to lose their weight. So if you scroll down, a whole bunch of people are still writing about weight loss. This was made around June 10th. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with your progress. So these are actually people that wants to lose weight. So most of them wants to lose weight. And if you go through that, as you can see, most people want to lose weight, and that is the people that we're actually going to be promoting this to, right? So what you need to do is to go ahead and comment on all these posts that are talking about weight loss. Now if you want to see the latest one, go ahead and click on latest, right? If you click on latest, you're going to see people that are very active on Twitter as of the moment you want to promote, right? And that will help you to actually get response almost immediately, right? So this was made around 3 minutes ago. An honest question: what exactly are we supposed to be celebrating? All right, so you look with your weight loss. I just hope it's not stress from a reality check, blah 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 blah. Just go ahead and check for people that are actually ready to lose weight. Go ahead and refer them to what we have in stock, right? So I don't want to tweet them with my real account, because this is actually my real account. I don't want to tweet them with my real account. Need quick weight loss, get your tongue pierced, blah blah blah. These are actually people that wants to play around. But trust me, right? Trust me, once you do this and I tell you, the serious ones will actually message you, and they'll be like, hey please, how can I do that, how can I do that? Then you're going to give them the link, which is their affiliate link. They're not actually going to be buying, remember. They just need to register with their credit card, and you're going to be receiving $15 for doing that, right? So I think that's pretty much all I have for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like down there, and if you enjoyed the video, do drop a comment down there in the comment section. And this is actually my YouTube channel, and what I do on YouTube is actually how to make money video. As you guys can see, this is actually my channel, and I've done a whole bunch of how to make money video and cryptocurrency related videos. And please, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you drop a like, and please subscribe and join the family, right? So we're actually on our way to 3,000, and I thank you guys for the 2,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful. And with that being said, I'm gonna bring this video to an end and see you guys. Peace. Remember to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at DonTimTV, and let's see in our next video. Peace.